The legacy of Jeep is deep, dating to World War II. With 70 years of experience and one of the strongest brands in the world, Jeep Wrangler is exactly the kind of vehicle current shoppers old and young want. The Wrangler puts them exactly where they want to be, out and away, immersed in nature. Jeep is an extension of our personality. Other cars are just like transportation. The resale value is outstanding, and it's for someone who's free-spirited, adventurous, and appreciating everything Earth's got to offer. Welcome to my channel Vince Vlog. I'm your host Rohit, and today we are going to do a review of the Jeep Wrangler. So stay tuned till the end and do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the latest reviews of automobiles. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. The 2020 Jeep comes in three versions: Sport, Sahara and Rubicon, both in 2 and 4 door. The one in front of us is a 2-door Sport version which has a 3.6 litre V6 engine mated to a 8-speed automatic transmission with a power of 285 HP and 260 feet of torque. This is available in the UAE for 144,900. However, since it has third-party accessories fitted on it, the price goes up. This you can check with the distributor based on the extent of customization you need. I like these original Jeep key off-road accessories like the Mopar shock absorbers, the link rod, coil spring, 2-inch lift kit, and here you can see the essential off-road kit like water bottles, knife sets, front DRLs, fog lamps, t-shirts, and of course here you can see the cold air intake with front rubber mats and side steps. Here you can see DRLs, the iconic 7-slot grille, halogen headlamps, molded front black bumper with fog lamps, the Wrangler Sport has a high ground clearance, due to which the approach, breakover and departure angle is quite good, which is helpful during off-roading. Approach angle is defined as the angle between the ground and the lowest hanging part in the front. This is the breakover angle, which is defined wherein the front and back wheel can drive over an obstacle without touching any part of the vehicle. And this is the departure angle, which is the angle between the ground and the lowest hanging part in the back. Now I'm gonna show you 5 key off-road accessories which not only make the Jeep look good but is very useful off-road. You can see this winch from Vaughan, which is quite useful to pull the vehicle out if you or someone else is stuck off-road. I like these Kobo 17-inch all-terrain tires, which not only look good but are great for off-road capability along with AR spacer. You have these Fox shock absorbers and a 2-inch lift kit installed for higher ground clearance, and a Mopar air compressor at the back. You have this 3.6 litre V6 engine mated to an 8-speed automatic which generates 285 horsepower and a torque of 260 feet. This is a perfect powertrain combination that should make for low stress trail driving. Sliding into the cabin, my initial impressions are that the Wrangler Sport provides a seamless blend of vintage and modern Jeep character. It has a 3.5-inch TFT black and white display, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with mounted controls, a 7-inch Uconnect touchscreen display with Android Auto, a square dashboard punctuated with round air vents and a chunky switchgear for the climate control, AC with auto temperature control, ESC traction control, power windows, media hub USB, aux, audio jack for mobile devices, remote USB port, and a part-time 4-wheel drive system along with 8-speed automatic transmission. These are the locks to open the roof. And from here you can see the side and rear visibility. So guys, now I'm gonna drive the Jeep. I am sitting really high up and I can see the road ahead very clearly. This is the characteristics of a true off-roader. So guys, this brings us to the end of the review for the Jeep Wrangler. This is what we have for today. Hope you have enjoyed it. So please give a big thumbs up because I would be waiting for your likes. And if you have any questions or feedback, do put in the comments box and I would get back to you as soon as possible. And one more thing, I would be leaving a teaser picture of my next review. Do let me know which car is it. With this, I would like to take leave. Take care, stay safe, goodbye.